If you have started shopping for a Medicare Advantage plan, you've probably run into a bowl of letters, HMO, PPO, SNP, and it is easy to feel lost. But here's the good news. There are really just a few main types, and once you understand them, choosing gets a whole lot easier. So let us walk through them together. I am Scott with Sterling River Insurance Group, and let us translate these letters into plain English. Let us start with the two most common types, the HMO and the PPO. The difference between them really comes down to one thing: flexibility. An HMO, which stands for Health Maintenance Organization, is usually the more structured option. With an HMO, you generally pick a primary care doctor, you stay within the plan's network of doctors and hospitals, and you often need a referral from your primary doctor before you see a specialist. Because everything stays inside the network, HMO plans often come with lower costs. The trade is less flexibility. If you go outside the network, except in an emergency, you may have to pay the full bill yourself. A PPO, which stands for Preferred Provider Organization, gives you more freedom. With a PPO, you still have a network, and staying in it costs you less, but you are generally allowed to go out of network and still have some coverage, usually at a higher cost. You also typically do not need referrals to see a specialist, so a PPO tends to cost a bit more than an HMO in exchange for more flexibility. If keeping your choices open matters to you, a PPO may be worth the difference. Now let us talk about the third type, which is special. It is called an SNP or SNP, spelled SNP, which stands for Special Needs Plan. These are advantage plans designed for specific groups of people with benefits tailored to their exact situation. And there are two kinds worth knowing. The first is a dual eligible special needs plan, often called a D-SNP. This one is built for people who qualify for both Medicare and Medicaid at the same time. These plans coordinate both programs together and often provide very rich benefits with very low out-of-pocket costs because they are designed for people who need that extra support. The second is a chronic condition special needs plan, often called a C-SNP. This one is built for people living with certain ongoing chronic conditions like diabetes, heart failure, or lung disorders. A C-SNP tailors its network, its drug list, and its extra benefits around managing that specific condition so the coverage fits the person's real health needs. So let us pull it together. An HMO offers lower costs with less flexibility. A PPO offers more freedom for a bit more cost. And an SNP is a specialized plan for people who are dual eligible with both Medicare and Medicaid, or who are managing a specific chronic condition. Each one exists for a different kind of person. The right type depends entirely on your doctors, your health, and how much flexibility you want. That's exactly the kind of match we help families make. If you would like us to find the plan type that truly fits you, we would be honored to help. You can book a free blueprint call with our team at no cost and no pressure. SRIG was named after my two sons, River and Sterling. Created by our family for yours. We look forward to working with you and assisting you.